So how do you convert square miles into acres? They're very different things. A square mile is over 5,000 feet in each direction, 5,280 to be precise. And an acre is kind of a weird shaped thing. It's 66 feet by 660 feet. And this is not to scale. So how do you convert them? Well, I'm going to use something that the people who originally surveyed large pieces of land would have been very familiar with way back when. A chain. A chain is 66 feet, and yes, they were divided into links. They would literally use chains to pull out, and the reason why is you didn't want to use a rope because a rope could stretch. You wanted it to stay exactly the same size. So, an acre is 1 chain by 10 chains. Pretty easy, right? And a mile is 80 chains. So a square mile would be 80 by, trying to draw an 8 there, failing, by 80. So now we got some math you can do in your head. 80 times 80 is 6,400. 6,400. And 1 by 10, well, that's just 10. So divide 6,400 by 10, and you find that there is 640 acres in a square mile. So if you want to convert, you simply take the number of acres, multiply it by 640, divide it by 640. You know, if you had trouble remembering whether to multiply or divide, just remember an acre is smaller than a square mile. So you're gonna have more acres than square miles. So, you know, if a square mile is bigger, then obviously you're gonna end up with a much bigger number of acres to equal the same amount of area. So the number of acres divided by 640 equals the number of miles squared. And to go the other way, if you got the number of square miles, simply multiply it by 640 to get the number of acres. Or maybe, just maybe, you might want to think about giving the metric system a try. It's a lot easier than this. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.